Say sweater.
Swagger.
No, look at the phone. Say sweater.
Swagger.
Okay, I have an idea. Look at me. What does the cow say?
Moo.
What does the fox say? I mean, what does the frog say? What does a frog say?
Bibbit.
What does a turkey say?
Gobble.
What does a cat say?
Meow.
What does a dog say?
Ruff, ruff.
What does the wolf say? What does the wolf say?
Ow, woo.
What does the bird say?
Daddy.
Yeah. What does the sheep say?
Wow.
What does the lion say? What does the lion say?
Roar.
What does the bear say?
Grr.
How old are you? How old are you? Lucas, how old are you? Okay, this is what he's watching. What does the I forgot. Okay, wait. This video was kind of ghetto and poorly recorded, but I wanted you guys to see how smart he is. Lucas, how old are you? How old are you?
Necklace.
How old are you? Yeah, when TV's on, he's not really responsive. Lucas, how old are you?
Necklace.
Yeah, how old are you?
Mom. One pink. One.
What do you want, baby? Tell me. What do you want? What do you want? Tell me.
One peanuts.
You want peanuts?
One.
Okay, first tell me how old you are.
Necklace.
Yeah, but how old are you?
Two.
Yeah, you do. Okay, look right here. Say bye.
Bye.